This is a reactor with a vertical pipe well assembly that has been installed with new catalyst. When the reactor heats up, the thermal expansion of the pipe well is 3 times greater than that of the steel of the reactor because of the different metals involved. Because the pipe is completely enclosed and surrounded by catalyst, the pipe well is not able to grow in the body of the reactor. It only has the room to expand in the void space, which creates a bend in the pipe well near the top of the reactor. As the reactor is heated up, the bimetallic strips deflect and cause the thermocouple to make direct contact with the wall of the pipe. This allows the unit to sense and measure the temperature of the pipe in a precise location. Also, because the thermocouple is touching the pipe, changes in temperature are detected with very quick response times. As the reactor cools, the bimetallic strips then relax, which allows the flexo to be very easily removed and coiled. When the pipe well is exposed to the atmosphere, it is possible for contaminants to enter the pipe well. Contaminants could include salt, either from ocean air or cooling tower blow-off, water droplets, and chemicals from the air in a process plant. Chlorides are a particular concern because of the possibility of underdeposit corrosion. The Gaesco Flexo is made using a cable design with a flexible center guide pipe that allows it to be easily coiled and provides flexibility for installation. Notice that the flexible Gaesco Flexo design can be installed without effort around the bends that were created by the thermal expansion issues. As contaminated gas fills in the inside of the pipe well, it is possible to have condensation occur. This is the result of the different temperatures that occur in the pipe well from the hot tip to the cooler nozzle. Condensation occurs in a reflux action which causes contaminants to be carried up by steam and deposited near the top of the flexo. This creates a concentration cell of chlorides that cause corrosion in and around the nozzle. The Flexo purge design allows for clean gas, such as nitrogen, to be forced to the bottom of the pipe well and sweep out the contaminants. There are 2 options for this. First option is to do this once before the reactor is put in service and close off the tube with valves. The second option is to allow a continuous small flow of purge gas in and out of the pipe well. This requires the use of specialized check valves to prevent loss of containment in the event of a pipe well failure. Features and benefits of Purge Tube Flexo include fast response time, easy shipment and ability to coil, no requirement for a double high crane, and the ability to purge corrosive contaminants from the pipe well.